Last time we covered the fundamentals of Salesforce Marketing Cloud, focusing on core marketing concepts, key differences of Salesforce Core, and how SMB can overcome these challenges using tools. Let's build on that today. Curious about the latest marketing innovations? You are at the right place. Welcome back. Today we are diving into Salesforce's latest innovations, the Marketing Cloud Growth Edition. Hello everyone, my name is Akshita Sharma and I'm functional consultant here at Horizontal Digital. So let's get started with Marketing Cloud Growth Edition. Whether you are a seasoned marketer or just get starting, this new solution is designed to simplify your marketing efforts and growth. Let's see what's inside. So today we will be covering Introduction to Marketing Cloud Growth Edition, their key features and applications, integration with Salesforce Core. Salesforce has recently introduced Marketing Cloud Growth Edition, a robust solution built on Einstein 1 platform, tailored specifically for small and medium-sized businesses. It connects marketing automations with sales, service, and commerce within a unified platform. By combining CRM, AI, and data, it enables business to deliver personalized customer experience. First up, Unified Customer Profile. This feature consolidates data from different sources into one comprehensive customer view. Imagine having all interactions, email, purchases, service, inquiries all in one place. This 360-degree view empowers you to create highly relevant, personalized marketing messages. Next is AI-powered capabilities. The Einstein AI integration streamlines marketing efforts by combining powerful capabilities into unified experience. Here's how it helps business thrive. The campaign creation. This feature allows you to generate campaigns using natural language prompts, design audience segments based on customer behaviors, and create personalized content at scale. The intelligent segmentation feature identifies high-value customers, spot dormant users for re-engagement, predict likely lead conversions, and create seasonal audience segments for targeted outreach. Finally, the email brief generation feature auto-generates email outlines, suggests engaging subject lines, and draft personalized content instantly, saving time and effort. Engaging a global audience? Einstein Send Time Optimization ensures your message lands at perfect moment. By learning individual preferences, whether users check emails at dawn or over lunch, it automatically adjusts delivery time for maximum engagement. The next is Salesforce Flow, that offers powerful automation without the need of complex coding. With Flow, you can trigger personalized email workflows, send automated SMS messages, coordinate cross-channel campaigns, and alert sales team to key customer activities. Lastly, we have real-time analytics and reporting. Built on Salesforce Data Cloud, this feature provides real-time analytics for campaign performance, track the key metrics and identify trends, and make informed adjustment to your strategy, all in real time. A key advantage of Growth Edition is its smooth integration with Salesforce Core platform. Marketing, sales, service team can access unified, up-to-date customer data, ensuring consistent messaging and improved collaboration across all the departments. The Marketing Cloud Growth Edition is a game changer, bringing enterprise-grade features to growing businesses, making them more powerful automation, more accessible than ever before. Thank you for watching this out.